Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble water in Minecraft. Bubble columns are fascinating and useful water features that can propel you up or pull you down. They are created using specific blocks placed underwater, generating a continuous stream of bubbles. We will cover everything from gathering materials to building and utilizing these dynamic water flows. Get ready to transform your underwater builds with these simple yet effective mechanics. To begin, you'll need just a few key items. The most important are either soul sand or magma blocks. Soul sand is found in the nether and creates an upward bubble stream. Magma blocks, found in the nether or underwater, generate a downward pull. You'll also need plenty of water source blocks to fill your column and any solid blocks to construct the surrounding structure. Building a bubble column is straightforward. First, dig a 1-block deep hole in the desired location. Then, place your chosen block, either soul sand for an upward push or a magma block for a downward pull, at the very bottom. Next, fill the entire column above this block with water source blocks. Make sure every block in the column is a water source block to ensure a continuous and powerful bubble stream. Bubble columns offer many creative possibilities. Upward columns are perfect for fast vertical travel, allowing you to ascend quickly through multiple levels of your base. Downward columns can be used for unique traps or even as a compact item elevator system. A helpful tip: place kelp in flowing water to quickly turn it all into source blocks, then break the kelp. Experiment with different column heights and widths to achieve various effects in your builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.